that wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
What is up, YouTube? Marina Shay here, back with another video. So, I'm getting a cat. I am getting a new house guest, and we gotta get prepared for him to get here, guys. So, yeah, let's take y'all on the video. So, what I'm doing right now, I'm about to go to the store. I need to go to like a PetSmart or like something like that, so that way I can get my baby some toys, some stuff to get him moved into his room. So yeah, I have a second bedroom. Let me show it to y'all. So this is like my little second bedroom, y'all. It looks a hot mess because that is an old TV. This is all my hair stuff, makeup stuff, all that. Y'all, I'm excited. I've never been like a pet mom, like ever in life. I don't know how it feels to own a pet. I don't know how it feels to do anything with a pet, but I'd be lonely, and it would just be nice to have a companion in the house. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, I'm about to go to PetSmart or some type of pet store, and we'll figure it out from there. All right, guys, so I just made it to PetSmart. About to go in here and legitly like find my, I parked like a dumbass. That's why I looked back at my car like that. But there we go. But y'all, I don't ever vlog like going into places, so this is kind of weird to like go in here and like vlog or whatever, but we gotta be comfortable with the uncomfortable, right? So let's get her in. Let me get a cart. I have a question. So I am getting my first cat, and I just need some guidance to get.
Kitten, adult.
Kitten.
Kitten. Do you know how old?
We
do have food for kittens.
Okay.
It'd be back. And obviously the cat food section. But do you have any like anything that he can't eat?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay, then everything should be free range
Okay, cool.
for him.
Alrighty. Thank you.
It's not to try and get food that's similar to what he already has.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, guys. So I am like confused on what to get. Let's see. Y'all, it's a whole bunch of cat shit in here. I'm about to get him a collar. Oh, y'all, I'm about to get him a cage. Okay, the cage is $50. So yeah, we're gonna get him a cage. I'm gonna get him a collar too. And a leash. Y'all, look at all this stuff we can get for a cat. I'm excited. Yeah, we're about to get it going, y'all. He's about to be so spoiled. I can already tell. Dang it, y'all. Sometimes I wish I kind of got a girl, but I want a easy release collar. Yes. Collar accessories. Yes, we need this. Oh, there's already stuff on the collar. A dog. No, we need a kitten. Y'all, look. These are all girly. Like, I don't see no boy collars. Kitten. But fuck it, y'all. He about to get a little bow tie. He about to be cute. Okay, now we're gonna go with this one. Go with that one. Okay, y'all, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna come back when y'all, when I get some stuff, okay? Okay, guys, so I ended up getting, like, all of this stuff, man. Like, it's crazy how much shit I got, but I mean, it is what it is. I got it. Gonna go home and set this up in the room, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right. Hi guys, so yesterday I literally did not what am I trying to say, finish like recording me putting together Nugget's room. But guys, like, it literally was like not too much to put together. It was really more so like the little cage so I can go get him. So yeah, because like, look, you guys, I literally bought $300 worth of stuff and it literally does not look like it in here. And I don't know if the room is just so spacious or I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is his, let me move his toy, his litter box and his food and stuff, treats, whatever. That's his bed and that's his cage. And then I have him a little blanket I gotta put together. And then those are his toys in here. Like I said, y'all, like, it literally was not much to put together. I do wanna go get him a cat tree. but I don't have time to go get a cat tree today, so he's gonna have to just play around with these toys until I get him a cat tree. But yeah, guys, so I'm going to get him in a couple hours. I'm about to go grocery shopping right now because my friends are coming over to meet him later, and I wanted to cook dinner and like have a little get together tonight. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Okay guys, so I'm literally 5 minutes away from getting my little baby. So I'm excited. I'm really excited, y'all. I probably won't record until like I actually get him in the car though, just because I don't want to like, you know, show where I'm getting him and anything like that. But yes, y'all, I'm excited and he will be coming soon. I got him, guys. Welcome home, little man. Welcome home. I just know you shouldn't have pissed in here. Welcome home. Welcome home,